If you're listening to this right now, I just want you to take a deep breath. I know, I know it hurts. I know the emptiness feels unbearable. I know you're tired of pretending to be okay when deep down everything inside you feels shattered. I just want you to know that I see you, I hear you, and more importantly, God does too. Right now, it might feel like your heart will never be whole again, like you gave so much of yourself to someone who walked away, and now all that's left is this aching silence. But hear me when I say this. You are not broken beyond repair. You are not unloved. You are not forgotten. I know it's tempting to ask why. Why did this happen? Why did they leave? Was I not enough? But my friend, your worth was never tied to them. You were enough before they came. You are enough now that they are gone. People will come and go. Some will love us deeply, and others will teach us painful lessons. But not a single person on this earth defines who you are. God does. And He says you are fearfully and wonderfully made. He says you are loved beyond measure. And He is not done with your story. I won't tell you to move on overnight. I won't tell you just to get over it. Healing doesn't work like that. But I will tell you this. Take it one day at a time, one breath at a time. Cry if you need to. Grieve was what lost, but don't let this pain convince you that love will never find you again. Because one day you will wake up and the weight on your chest won't feel so heavy. One day you will smile and it won't feel forced. One day you will love again, not just someone else, but yourself. And through it all, God is with you, even in your pain, even in your questions, even in the nights you feel completely alone. He is holding you, He is rebuilding you, and what's coming next, it will be even more beautiful than what you lost. So don't give up. You are not alone in this, and you are so deeply unconditionally loved. I'm praying for you, and I hope you remember this. Your story isn't over yet.